to item number 14, Newcastle disease is a highly contagious and fatal viral disease affecting which group of animals? Is it A, cattle, letter B, swine, letter C, poultry, or letter D, goats? What is your choice? Again, item number 14, kapag Newcastle, no? Newcastle disease. Okay, so ano pong klaseng hayop, no? Famous yung ating Newcastle disease. Okay, ano po ba yung klaseng hayop yung pinupunteriya ng ating Newcastle disease? Ito pa choice natin dito would be letter C, no? Yan po yung ating poultry mismo, di ba, sa mga alagang manok natin, no? Tandaan lamang po natin, kapag sinabi po nating Newcastle disease, of course, ito po yung devastating respiratory and neurological bird virus. Okay, yan po yung ating Newcastle disease. Okay, pinupunteriya po niya yung ating mga alagang manok dito, no? Tandaan po natin, paano po natin malalaman na yung mga alagang manok natin ay may Newcastle disease? Okay, yung common symptoms po nito would be sneezing, no? Gasping for air, di ba? Nasal discharge, no? Swollen sinuses, twisted neck, and of course, paralysis of wings or legs. Okay, yan po yung mga common symptoms na malalaman po natin na meron pong Newcastle disease yung ating mga alagang manok. Okay, kapag cattle kasi, yung ating swine and even po yung ating goat, sila po ay prone po sa tinatawag natin na FMD o yung tinatawag natin na foot and mouth disease. Okay, sana nakuha po natin ha. Item number 14, kapag Newcastle disease, that is for poultry, no?